Alright guys, in this video we're going to do something a little bit different. It's Fox body related, but has nothing to do with my cars. So we're going to try something that we saw someone do that we thought was pretty cool, but we're going to do it with some Mustang parts. So we're going to take a broken old office chair, and we're going to take an adequate condition sports bucket out of an 88 GT, and we're going to make a Fox body office chair. So without further ado, here we go guys. First thing we need for this project is a car seat. We happen to have one right here, so without further ado, let's get this thing unbolted. Mission accomplished. It's too far gone to use in a car, but for a shop seat, that's gonna do just fine. So we're gonna be turning my old broken office chair, my old broken GT chair, into a shop chair. So something a little different for the channel, but it's still Fox body related, so let's give it a go. So we got the passenger side, well, we got the rails off of the seat, so I'll have a spare set for the 91 LX, or if someone needs some, hit me up. I'll give you a great deal on them. Definitely don't want to see them go to waste. They are in great shape. We've stripped down our office chair base. If you were a little more fabrication inclined and you had a welder and whatnot, I'm sure the ideal thing would be to make some sort of a brace out of metal, but I do not have a welder at my home, so I'm gonna try with the stock, if you will, plywood, and we're gonna see if it's solid. If it's solid, great. If not, we'll rethink it, but kind of doing this on the fly, so let's get back to it. So my wife cut and drilled this piece of 3/4 inch plywood. We got it all secured to the base. Now it's time to make it fit the seat. So yeah, just gonna give a dab of Loctite on the last 4 bolts, and we'll see what she does. There you go guys. 88 GT sports bucket slash office chair, garage chair. I don't know, cool way to reuse something that I wouldn't put in my car, you know? Well guys, there you have it. We've got our 88 GT office chair seat now. I didn't go into too many details of filming the entire procedure because, let's face it, when it comes to fabricating, there's nothing to learn from watching me do it. Usually it's a lot of trial and error, but we always end up getting it done. So before I get off here, I just want to give a quick shout out. I've noticed a big hike in subscribers and a lot of new subscribers, and I want to thank all of you, and I especially want to thank the OG subscribers that have been watching my junk for years. A lot coming with the channel, and I appreciate everyone around me supporting me to do the best job I can. You know, Mr Mach1, I especially want to thank you. He's been watching me for years, and always a kind word of encouragement. So if you haven't already, go check out Mr Mach1's channel, and yeah, lots of good stuff over there. So alright guys, so until the next time, I'm out.